What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Blue Quantum. So, today I brought some of my friends around to help Eddie to bring the new toys into the shop. So, guessing how we brought the toys? Yeah, you can see a beautiful truck beside me. Yeah, so we brought this in this truck. So that is why I did this video today. I'm going to show you how to build this awesome looking truck which could fit a minifig and it could bring lots of stuff. So yeah, let's proceed to the video. So after an hour or so, they managed to bring all the toys in. Now they're just trying the luck to fit the kitchen toys that I showed you that day. They're trying to fit that in the shop. So while they're doing that, I'll show you how to build the truck that you guys have been waiting for. So now I hope you can get a bird's eye view of the speedboat. So now I changed the position of the car, of the truck, so you get to see the interiors and also the front look. So I already fixed a pair of wheels and I turned the model around so you can see the back, how to build the back part of this truck. So now I already fixed another set of wheels as well. Okay, so my friends have finished their work and so we are also at our few last steps before finishing the truck. So without further ado, let's continue. So this is our final product. So here is the truck. It fits a minifigure as I said earlier, and it has cool lights and all those stuff at the back. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Stay tuned and subscribe, like, and press the notification button down below for more videos. Stay safe and goodbye.